Hey guys, it is, I don't know what day of Vlog-O-Ween, maybe two, I don't know, you'll see. I just got done taking my daughter to school. She goes to school in another town. Brought her back. And now I'm making breakfast, making me a little coffee. Had a spill, you saw. And making me like a casserole. I have my little maid working for me over there. She's great. But right now she's broken, so she's not really picking up everything. But anyways, I'm about to do some work. I am working from home. It's my own business. So I'm gonna go do that and eat breakfast and see where the day takes me. Casserole with bacon, hash browns, cheese, egg, a little bit of milk, salt, and pepper, and then drizzled some green chili Tabasco sauce over it, and some coffee. In my room, washing my sheets, getting ready to fix all this. This is from my work bag. So I'm gonna go through that, do some planning, and do some work. And I'm just trying to find a cozy aesthetic, like just music in the background. I usually put this one for the kids or something like this. Let's see. It's a different kind of vibe going there. I kind of decorated here. Yeah, I'll just keep on that, whatever. But usually if you have a Roku, press down and there's more. You can see the ones we have watched. I haven't seen this one, but this one looks good. I just want to not be, I want to be like cozy. Halloween jazz, that sounds fun. I like jazz music, so there we go. Now to work. Just my little buddy. While I was working, I had just some spare time because I was waiting for something to upload, and I'm going to show you my Halloween nails. I got these off of Temu. They're like $5 for a 4-pack. These are the ones I put on, and they have a little pumpkin one, square pumpkin. That's what they look like. And then there's these little scallies, and these are similar to the ones I had last time, and so are these, which I'll show you. Where'd they go? I originally got these from Walmart for like $7, which they lasted. So they're kind of like that kind of. These are cuter though, like. You can mix and match, which I should have, but oh well. I think I'm gonna mix and match for next week, which will be the week of Halloween. So I'll see. These are press-on nails, but I get this glue. I got it from Walmart. It's the brush-on nail glue, Powerflex. It works pretty good. You can still see I have a glue on my hands. But yeah, I totally like these. They're very light, and I mean, it took me less than 5 minutes for each hand. So I also love that they're short. I mean, I love like this type of nail, and I tried it for a week and cannot do it. It's pretty, but it's like one-day use. Like the press-on ones I'd probably do in this, but not. I love short nails. Like these are short. Like, look. Also wanted to. I was at the grocery store. I wanted to share this, and I saw this and Joanna Gaines holiday recipes. Like, it is so good. It's filled with so many like good recipes, and they're not that complicated. Like, Thanksgiving. Oh, I love it. I just love it. So pretty. Look at egg breakfast. Oh, Benedict casserole. What? A casserole? Mm-hmm. Quiches, which I love. Hash brown casserole. And she had these, oh yeah, treats and these, the houses. What do you call it? Gingerbread houses. Oh, I want to try this for sure. The Sule log. I've been wanting to for years. I want to try it. Making it. Oh, this recipe. Oh, look at that. That looks amazing. And that too. Like, yum. And the salad. It's for Christmas dinner. Some cinnamon squares, Christmas morning. Like, there's so much. Where are those gingerbread houses? Oh, here's some of it. I think this is it. Oh, yes. Look at those. Come on now. Come on now. As I was editing, I realized I didn't close this day out, day 2. And so what I'm going to show you is some of the lunches I do, my basic lunches for my kids every day during school. I get their lunches ready in the morning when I wake up with my husband. I make his lunch and breakfast and then sit with him before he leaves to work. So I'll show you that because this wasn't long enough and I've been wanting to share that. So I'm going to leave that here. So enjoy that. So as you can see, I lay out all the breads for each, for 3 days. I give them PB&Js Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I'll just lay them all out, put the peanut butter on, spread the peanut butter out. And then some kids don't like peanut butter, so I'll leave those ones out and I'll make those. I'll just slap some jelly on there and then I'll spread it out and then put the other part of the bread and then I just start cutting away. Just kind of score the sandwich all the way down. You can see here how I'm just like scoring it all the way down. But it just kind of, you know, usually I'm faster. It's hard doing this one-handed, but you get the picture. So I just cut those all. I've already put aside my peanut butter ones and put them in baggies with their initial of who wants it. So as you can see, I'll just put the initial and then I'll put those non-jelly peanut butter sandwiches aside. And then here's all of them. So I have 3 days worth of sandwiches and I use that bag as a trash bag so I don't have to keep going to the trash bag. And then I have this crate that I have the snacks in and cereal and other breakfast items and just scissors and markers and dry erase markers as well. So I have all of that there so I can just take it up to my bedroom. If I leave this stuff down here, it will get eaten in a day. Like, I can't have snacks just in our pantry like some of you guys can. I really have to put everything away. So, and here's all where I keep all my baggies and stuff. All right, I hope you guys like this video. Sorry I'm popping in on another day. I have been a hot mess express, and I apologize, but that's how I roll. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Tomorrow's video will be up sometime in the morning. I'm going to try to do it early in the morning, around 6 a.m. Mountain time. So I have that all ready to go. I'm editing this video. Like I said, it should be up pretty in the morning. So this is day 2, and thank you so much for watching. If you guys are enjoying this, please like this video. Kind of feel like I'm starting all over again. So all the likes and everything helps the algorithm and just helps me out immensely. Thank you so much for all your love and support. I am loving your guys' comments, and it just is a blessing to me. You guys are a blessing to me. So again, thank you so much. Don't forget to, if you're not subscribed, would love for you to subscribe. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of when my next video is. And like this video, comment, share it. That'd be so awesome. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.